Hello, my dear guest. It's a very common task to generate random integer. For example, you need it for testing or to get a random item from an array. Let me show you how you can do it. Let's first specify variable, let's say it's random number. And to show you everything, let's console log it. To generate random number, we can use built-in math module, and we have random. The problem is it will generate the number between 0 and 1, but exclusively 1. So it will be 0, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. And what we want is actually an integer. The next step, what we do with this math random, we actually specify the range between which we want. For example, if you want the range between 0 and 10, you will need to multiply it not by 10, but actually by 11. Because we will cut all the decimals, and if we take, for example, 10, there will be never 10. It will be always below 10. For example, it will be 9888. So now, when we do this stuff, as you can see, it generates random number. And like say we have integer part, it's 5, and we don't need all these decimals. To remove the decimals, we will use another function. It will be mass and floor. And what mass floor is doing, if you, for example, have number like 9.9, when you do mass floor, it will be equals to 9. And if you do 9 and 1, when you do mass floor to this number, it will be still 9. So now, if you look, we have random integers that is between 0 and 10. And that's it. And remember not to overwork yourself. Have a great day. Bye.